This video is sponsored by EPICKA. It is that time of year. Amazon Prime Day starts today. It is a great time to stock up on travel gear. We asked some of our favorite brands what they were planning to put on sale, and this video covers our picks. We'll also be updating our Amazon list daily as new deals appear, so check that out at the link in the description. Or if you prefer to shop direct with the brand, some are even running the sales on their websites. Let's jump into the gear. We've had our hands on hundreds of travel bags over the years, and we know what makes a bag great. If you're new to one-bag travel, the tomtoc Navigator-T66 is a great value. This 40-liter bag packs a lot of organization into a bag that costs less than $90, even before any Amazon deals. It includes a top pocket for your phone, wallet, and keys, and a large front pocket for things you want along the way, like a battery bank, snacks, and a small book. Pockets on each side of the bag give you a place for a water bottle or umbrella, and the rear compartment fits up to a 17-inch laptop, a tablet, and tech accessories. It unzips to lie flat and offers quick access to the main compartment, though that's the easiest to fill, where it opens like a duffel on the front. While it can get a little saggy if you don't stuff it, compression straps keep it in check. No matter how much you carry, the padded breathable harness system keeps it comfy to carry through the airport and across town to your resort. If you like gear that does double duty, then check out the ALPAKA Elements Tech Case. It includes a crossbody strap that converts it from a pouch to a sling. Not only is it comfortable to wear, but it's also a sturdy way to carry your tech with X-Pack VX21 on the exterior and a 210D ripstop nylon liner for lightweight durability. ALPAKA's accordion-like organization includes a ton of segmentation for various gear. It works best for flatter items, but you can still bulk your accessories like wall chargers with a little finagling. Plus, there's an exterior pocket on the rear for items you need to grab quickly, whether screen wipes or earbuds. You can quickly reach whatever you need with the Aoede Airspeed backpack too. This 21-liter bag from Osprey includes a floating harness system and great organization. The padded rear has a stretchy mesh panel pulled tight over a frame sheet, which suspends the mesh a few inches above it. The springy, almost trampoline-like feature lifts the weight off your back and creates a large channel for airflow, making it comfortable to wear on long commutes. When it's time to pack, there's a tall, stretchy bottle pocket, a side zipper pocket for tiny accessories, and a front quick access pocket for travel essentials. The separate laptop compartment has a document sleeve for paperwork and an elevated sleeve to protect up to a 16-inch device. You won't need a separate tech pouch since the main compartment includes a built-in admin panel, and you can stuff the space underneath with flexible gear like a hoodie or a travel towel to make the best use of it. Leaving behind a cord for your battery saves space too. And you don't need an extra cable with the Ugreen Nexode power bank. This 20,000 milliamp charger includes a more than 2-foot long retractable USB-C cable that you can plug into your phone, tablet, or laptop. And with a 165 watt max output and 2 USB-C ports, you can charge your MacBook Pro and iPhone at the same time. There's even a trickle charging mode for smaller devices like headphones. When it's out of juice, the 100 watt max input recharges the battery in just under 2 hours. Its display lets you know how much power the bank has left and what wattage you're getting from the ports you're using, so you don't have to guess whether or not you have enough juice remaining to recharge everyone's phone. While that battery bank is a little bit big, you'll have no problem fitting it into this 5.5 liter sling. After all, this sling can fit a Nintendo Switch or a Steam Deck with room to spare. If you want entertainment for the plane, the adjustable strap and large shoulder pad make it comfortable to carry the weight. The strap attaches with buckles that rotate 180 degrees on each side. They slide easily to shift the sling if you want to change shoulders or shift it from front to back. In addition to a game system or GoPro, it has a ton of room for other essentials too. This includes a passport or wallet in the back panel pocket, cords and keys in the front pocket, and your earbuds and iPad mini in the main area. Packing large items inside can make it a bit rigid, but the padding slides on the strap as you move the bag into place, so it's not uncomfortable. If you like tomtoc but want a different vibe, the Explorer T21 and Aviator T33 sling bags are also on sale for Prime Day. While they're a little cheaper, the Wander-T26 is our favorite of the three. So if the organization we covered sounds like a fit for you, we recommend saving money on the higher retail option while you can. You also need travel adapters and packing cubes for nearly every trip. Stock up on those essentials with a deal from EPICKA, this video's sponsor. They're one of the top universal travel adapter brands in the US with different styles to suit any traveler. We like the highly reviewed TA105 because it works in more than 200 countries and allows you to charge up to 6 devices at once. Along with the AC port, it has 4 USB-A outlets and 1 USB-C port. If you have more USB-C devices, you'll want to try the TA105C model, which has 3 C and 2 A ports instead. There are also Pro and Max models with quick charge capabilities powered by the latest GaN chip. Whichever you choose, EPICKA's adapters make it easy to power up your phone, tablet, and laptop in another country. Just push out the prongs for the region that you're visiting and you're in business. They lock into place until you push the release button on the other side, so you don't have to worry about it falling out of your outlet while charging. EPICKA is also making organization easier with the new Trip Cozy compression packing cubes. Whether you need a set of 4 or 6, their mesh fronts let you see what's inside each cube. Plus, since the sides stay standing upright when they're not compressed, you can just pull them out of your travel backpack and put them into the dresser at your hotel or Airbnb for in-drawer organization. They're made with durable and water-resistant materials to withstand years of travel and an antibacterial lining to keep your clothing fresh, even in humid locations. The color-coded SBS zippers make it simple to figure out which to use for compression, which collapses them from 5.1 to 2.8 inches to help you pack more. EPICKA is giving Pack Hacker viewers an extra 10% off their travel adapters and 20% off their Trip Cozy compression packing cubes. And that's on top of their Amazon Prime Day deals. Use the code down in the description below on Amazon to get the best savings of the year. You can also get a great deal on a day pack from Bellroy. The second edition Bellroy Transit Workpack has some of the same organization we love from the original version. Yet the new one has recycled materials, a luggage pass-through, and an easier to use bottle pocket. Limited colorway options are on sale for Prime Day, but we like the neutral tones of the olive and stone hues. The recycled DuraWeave material seems to attract less lint than the original, yet it's still water resistant so you can carry it anywhere. And you just might because this bag is easy to pack up for any trip. Put a notebook or small tablet and your keys in the large front pocket. Then there's room for other accessories in the main compartment's stretchy slip and zippered mesh pockets. If you're going from office to airport, there's a dedicated laptop compartment that holds up to a 16-inch device. Combined with its breathable and well-padded back panel, cushioned shoulder straps, and a sternum strap and a sliding rail, this bag easily transforms from a commuter pack to a personal item bag. If you're trying to save on bag fees, but you also want to pack a spinner, then BAGSMART has a personal item for you. This rolling suitcase fits under most airplane seats and has plenty of space for a weekend trip. You can fit 2 cubes inside the roomy main compartment of this spinner, and the compression panel doubles as a pocket for more accessories. The open main compartment includes a large pocket on the lid made with waterproof PVC material, which is handy if you need to store a damp bathing suit or washcloth on your trip back home. You can tuck more accessories in the front pocket for easy access at the airport, like your passport and wallet. There's also a compartment on the front for a small laptop and its tech. That's a lot of features to pack into something this small. However, it's worth noting that while BAGSMART's specs say its 15.4-inch laptop fits, we couldn't fit anything larger than a 14-inch MacBook Pro inside. This travel day pack gives you plenty of space for your everyday items. It has a simple and sleek design with clean lines and leather accents. Plus, its structured sides make loading your gear easy. There's a zippered pocket at the front for quick access items and a leash for your keys. Pockets on the shoulder straps have a cleverly gusseted design that gives you enough space for a smartphone or other gear you want to keep in reach. We don't like keeping items there for too long because it can start to feel clunky, but it's great for quick access as you go through security at the airport. The dedicated laptop compartment holds a 17-inch device and has a sizable false bottom to keep your tech safe from accidental drops. The main compartment includes admin panel style organization for tech and other accessories, but filling it doesn't take away space for cubes or clothing. We have no issues fitting in a weekend's worth of gear inside this bag if you want to travel light. I've carried this dongle on countless international flights. It allows me to watch the in-flight entertainment with my own headphones instead of needing to grab those crappy ones from the airline. Plug it into the headphone jack on the seat back to enjoy the in-flight entertainment. Then you won't need to keep pausing your movie every time your seatmate needs to get up for the restroom. You can even connect a second set of headphones so you don't have to try and press play at the same time as your friend. Just watch on the same screen at the same time with the same audio. And since it functions as a transmitter and receiver, it'll allow you to use your phone to connect to non-Bluetooth speakers. While the first version is on sale for Prime Day, 12 South just released an updated version which we're excited to check out. BAGSMART offers great deals even without sales. So we're excited that their compression packing cubes will cost even less this Prime Day. You can get them in sets of 2, 4, or 6 in a wide variety of colorways to match your suitcase or style. The largest cube is 12 liters and fits 3 pairs of pants and a hoodie. We fit 6 rolls of shirts in the 8-liter medium, and 6-liter small is the perfect for socks and underwear. Each compresses from nearly 4 inches tall to 1.4 inches when you engage the compression zipper. That means you can fit more tops, bottoms, and underwear inside a smaller space or contain your bulky hoodie to a compact rectangle. The set of 4 is perfect for packing a week's worth of clothing into a 30-liter travel backpack, and the 6-piece works well for 2 people or checked luggage. The lightweight material includes curved mesh panels so you can see what's inside and your gear can breathe in your bag, along with a carry handle that makes it easy to unpack. The set of 6 also includes a shoe pouch with a backpack-style drawstring straps that are nice for carrying your sandals back from the beach or your sneakers to the gym. For a more comfortable way to carry your gear, check out the Osprey Daylite Sling, especially if there is a colorway that you've been eyeing. Lots of Osprey's Amazon Prime deals are closeouts, so you'll want to get them while you can. The Osprey Daylite Sling's 6-liter size and features make it a bag you can use every day. It has a comfortable harness system with a padded back panel and shoulder strap that can attach on either side of the bag, allowing you to carry it with either shoulder. The strap has a small mesh pocket for tiny gear and space for your phone, earbuds, and wallet inside of the front pocket. The main compartment includes a sleeve for a notebook or tablet and a zippered mesh pocket for other tiny gear with enough space to stash whatever else you need that day in between. You won't have to pick and choose whether you need that extra layer or more sunscreen since you can carry everything. If you need to carry more than a wallet but less than a sling, the ALPAKA Zip Pouch is a great option. In addition to space for cash and cards, it has space for small accessories like a battery bank. It's made with X-Pack for lightweight durability and has a center partition to keep things organized. If you're packing a power bank inside like we do, there's still room for 6 or 7 cards in the main compartment. We tend to put our favorite cards on one side of the divider and the rest on the other because it can be hard to rifle through them if you put too many together. However, the bright orange liner makes it easy to see inside once you get your system in place. Even if you stuff it tightly, a Hypalon tab on the YKK zippers make the front pocket and main area easy to open. You'll just want to be sure you fold cash you stash inside to keep it from getting stuck in the teeth. Check out the Zip Pouch Pro if you prefer an option with extra external slots. It has 3 and it's on sale for Prime Day too. One of our top-rated toiletry kits is also discounted. The deal is on the clay colorway, which is leather-free, but it still has that sophisticated look that we love from Bellroy. It's made with Bellroy's Bida nylon, which is water resistant and recycled, so your gear stays dry as it sits by the sink. It has a simple setup that we like with one main compartment that's easy to pack full of travel bottles. There are 2 stretchy mesh pockets on one side and a magnetic shelf on the other for your toothbrush. We've included it on our vacation packing list for the last few years because we find it perfect for cleaning up after the beach or sitting on the bathroom counter of the Airbnb, since its streamlined design makes it easy to find exactly what you need. You can get one of our favorite bedside and travel chargers on Amazon too. The 12 South Butterfly looks simple, but it streamlines your charging routine. This 2-in-1 MagSafe charger looks like an aluminum puck, but it splits open to reveal 2 wireless charging pads. One is a 15-watt MagSafe compatible charger for your iPhone or AirPods, and the other is a flip-up fast charging dock for an Apple Watch. It's super packable and well built, so we take it everywhere that we travel. Because of that, we're happy it comes with its own 30-watt wall charger, international plugs, and a USB-C cable. You might not need it all on every trip, but you can just pack what you want into your tech kit and leave the rest of the accessories behind in the included travel pouch. The Butterfly SE is also on sale for Prime Day. It has a 15-watt Qi 2 wireless charging pad on one side and a 5-watt Apple Watch charger on the other. The soft touch aluminum is available in more colorways, and it doesn't scratch as easily as the original aluminum. Seriously, this thing just looks like new. However, the SE doesn't include the wall charger for international adapters, so you'll have to decide if that's a deal breaker. Try something smaller when you need a day pack that won't weigh you down. You won't sacrifice organization and style with this bag from Troubadour. It has all the same features as the original in a more petite package. The 16-liter bag can hold up to a 16-inch MacBook or a 15-inch PC and tablet, along with accessories you need for each. There's admin-style organization in the main compartment, a zippered mesh pocket, and a shoulder strap pocket to keep your phone within reach. Put your keys and passport in the top quick access pocket and slide the bag over your rolling luggage. The pass-through keeps it in place as you navigate the airport, and its size makes this bag a great personal item. Plus, it's wrapped in lightweight, easy-to-clean materials like Troubadour's for-to-weave fabric that's made from recycled plastic bottles. You will have no problem charging up everything you need inside of a coffee shop when you slip this thing into your backpack. With 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, you can plug just about any device into the Ugreen Nexode 200-watt charger. Use the 140-watt USB-C port to power up your laptop with PD 3.1 quick charging and 100 watts for another laptop, tablet, or phone. The 2 other ports have lower outputs, which make them great for headphones, a smartwatch, or even your phone if you have extra time for charging. You won't have to worry about it getting too hot either with GaN technology for high-powered energy conversion in a compact size. If you don't need as much power, you can always check out the 100-watt version. That one's on sale for Prime Day too. So that's what we're snatching up when we see those Amazon Prime deals. What are you hoping to get? Let us know down in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.